With over 35 years of experience with repair and refurbish monitors, LCDs, cameras, recorders, and printers, Ampronics is well equipped to provide superior service and repair to any modality you may have meet strict ISO and ESD standards. As a factory authorized repair center for numerous major manufacturers, we offer refurbished units for exchange and hot swap replacement. Some highlights include qualified factory trained technicians, no charge evaluation, 24 to 72 hour rush service available upon request, 1-year warranty for each repaired part, repair report for each serviced unit available upon request, component level repair to reduce cost and save time, technical support to help install, maintain, or operate products. Contact a representative today to find out more about our repair services. For further technical support, contact Ampronics by visiting our website at www.ampronics.com or call 1-800-400-7972.